Zones that separate, but in my heart only one day. Through the screen I see your face.
Hello guys, this is your bro friend Stenta channel again, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the hiet. This is the hiet, and we are going to try something good called Rolex. It's a Rolex booth of the hiet, and today we are going to try this Rolex. It's just so amazing. Come with me and watch how I'm going to try this.
Hey, this is a Rolex booth, and we do Rolexes ranging from chicken, beef, vegetable. We can deliver anywhere we want as long as you're around MBARARA. Feel free, make that order. Thank you.
Zones that separate, but in my heart only one day. Through the screen I see your face. It's not enough, it's ain't far. Every word you send my way feels like a touch far away. Balloon to one day you're here with me. Though you're far away.
But don't mess with us. We are bad, we are bad. Give me a bad Rolex and
So, hello bro. How much is a Rolex?
Chicken is at 12, beef is at 10, and vegetables at 8.
At 8. Okay, give me a beef. A beef.
Beef Rolex.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay. Yeah, and now here we are. We are going to try our Rolex. I will say this a beef Rolex. It's so amazing. As you see inside, it's just amazing.
The Rolex is good, awesome, it's the latest well. Rolex ni nura hiet. Yeah.
my people, ladies and gentlemen, this is just us from the Rolex booth. We do deliveries in and outside MBARARA. Trust us with your orders. We shall take you there. And right now, I have a order to deliver right now. I'm going to Wizwera. Come follow me. And this is my bike. Betty Oreo, pizza, and everything. Trust me with your order. Trust Joab, trust Mutoro. Everyone here is trustworthy. I see you.
Even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades in Guadalajara.
It's a bit paper channeled with you, and thank you so much for supporting Rolex booth. Here we are at hiet Rolex booth, and yeah, they have good different types of Rolex. There is a Rolex for beef, for chicken, for vegetables, and many more. Please come here and support this place. It's just the best place to chill from in MBARARA. Thank you so much.